Well, I was not planning on fishing today, but it hadn't rained yet. It's supposed to be 80%, so there's no thunder that I hear. So as long as it's rain, I'm okay. I have my frog togs, and we're gonna go to the Little Elm Bridge and see what we can find. I've noticed that my friend Bank Fishing TV, Get Him Jay, y'all check out his channel. He's been doing he pulls a few slabs from there, so I want to see what I can do with the sonar, and he's bank fishing, so hopefully we'll see him out there. But it's just kind of a quick trip, you know. Still watching for mama. So anyway, let's see what happens, see if the rain hits us or what, and see how the crappie respond on this bridge to I might pick me up some minnows, but for the most part I'm gonna be using my crappie jigs that I tie, so my hand ties. Anyway, let's get out there and see what this rain does with a crappie. Well, looks like I'm like the second guy here. Man, it's starting to rain, so I already bought my ticket, so let's do this. Woo-wee! It's raining, and I got this whole place to myself. I just hope it stops raining by the time I get out of here. Anyway, I can talk and not be embarrassed. We're at Mr. J's Bank Fishing TV's area, so I had to come visit it. He visits mine, I come visit his area. So we're gonna get set up in the front here and start scanning with the front transducer, and see if we can find some active fish. I'm gonna start in the middle here and scan that way, or I might go that way to here. Yeah, I think I'll go that way to here. So let's see if we can find some fish. All right, so we've scanned the first section that I can actually get to, because as you can see, there's a crane right there, and it's all very shallow. Just past this is about 8 foot of water, so I marked fish here. So let's check it out. Okay, I marked them in about, this is 18 foot of water on that, or on this side, but I marked in about 8 foot of water on both of these sides. Oh, there's one. What we got? Little crappie. Well, not too bad. At least it's a crappie. Got the skunk off. All right, get over there. I'll tell you what, let's try this side of the pile right here. Man, this jig is so freaking light. Can't believe it. What is going on here? Come on, crappie. Lambi-dooby-doo. Let's see if they're on this side like I saw. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, that's a better crappie. They're getting bigger, I hope. I hope that's a trend that's continuing. All right, dude. Well, as you can see, everyone, it's raining. I'm under a bridge and I'm catching. Nice. Let's see if we can get some big mamas. All right, so I saw Mr. Barfly had a device that he invented. No, I'm just kidding. That he made up with a carabiner, but I don't have any carabiner. I just have this floaty. So I know he was saying something about the wind coming this way, the current, and I throw it over. So let's do that. Oh, well, that wasn't good at all. Luckily, I have my old sticky, my old stick here, if I can reach it. Oh yeah, got it. Okay, try not to scare the freaking fish over here. Butterfuck over here. All right, that's good right there. So the way I do it, or the way I'm doing it, is I'll just make one little loop past the buoy. I'm not even gonna remove the buoy because I'm probably gonna be moving so many times. So that's it. Well, I did have the whole place to myself, and then some people came. I'll tell you what, y'all. Well, Mr. SK, you'll be happy to know that I did not buy minnows today, but I do have this dead dried up minnow here. So guess what, SK, I'm gonna use this sucker. I don't want it to go to waste, even though it's all dried up, but I do want it for the taste. I'm a poet, didn't even know it. Anyway, I'm being silly, Mr. Silly. That's me, Mr. Silly. Anyway, look at that. I probably don't even need that, but it's just for fun. You never know what the final equation to catching crappie is, right? There is no final equation, according to me, according to my expertise. Let's see this line jump, y'all. Let's see this line jump. I'll tell you what, I'm contemplating putting weight on it, but I don't want to screw up the strike zone. So, and they are hitting it real light, so I don't want to mess up that natural presentation of the way it's moving. You know, if they want it slow, then that's where I'll leave it. Come on, babies. Come on, little babies. Gotcha. It's a little baby. Whoa, dude. All right. Well, I'm a catching. Ay, ow, ow. Need my. Gonna need. They're swallowing it too. Look at that. That's a really good sign. Bye bye. Well, I'm catching 9 inches, I guess. Yeah, about 9 inches. Go over there. But anyway, at least I'm catching. At least I'm catching. Okay, I'm gonna use this little tiny pinch weight to get it down just a little faster without compromising the movement of the jig. I think we'll be okay. What I usually do is I'll wrap it around so it won't slide up and down. So wherever I put it, that's where it's gonna stay. Sometimes it's kind of hard to wrap it around. Whew, I'll tell you what, y'all, it's pouring out there, but the fish are biting. Got a bunch of little ones, but I did catch this nice one just right now. I believe he's 11, maybe 12. It's a nice one. But I'm in about 15 foot of water. They're hitting about 10 or 8, somewhere around there. Anyway, let's see if we can get some more. But man, it is. Look at that. I ain't going anywhere for a while. Good thing I got my barbecue and my water. That's all I need. I'm gonna need it. I better ration it in case I can't get out of here. Well, I was using two rods, but think I could barely keep up with one. It seems like the bite picks up and then it slows down, so I'm just gonna use one rod for now. Dang, I wish I would've brought my radio. Now I'm gonna have to sing to you, everyone. Just kidding, I'm not gonna sing. I'll sing to myself. Come on, Crappie. I'll sing to the crappie. They love. They'll be throwing themselves on the hook, telling me to stop. Achoo. They're all little though. Oh my gosh, that's gotta be the tiniest crappie of the year right here. Little sucker, a little hungry. They are hungry. Oh, another little one. Ooh, it's raining like crazy. At least there's no lightning. Thank you, Lord. Oh. Oh, yeah. He was on there. I didn't even know. Oh, no wonder. It's a catfish. Ugh. No, I don't need this catfish in my life. Not this one. Oh, no. Ah! He got me. Almost got me. God, dog. Wow. That sucker bent this way and almost had me again. Oh, little crapper. Whoa. This is like the third, yeah, about the third catfish that I've caught right in this area. The other one broke me off, and well, now here's another catfish. Nice. All on jigs. Crazy. I got me a catfish motor. It's pulling the boat so I can save some gas. I wonder if I should put the Ascension rods to the test. I doubt it. It's about a 3 pound, maybe 2-3 pound. It's probably gonna pop. And there seems to be all kinds of activity over here. As you can see, rain's gone for now, and it's actually pretty nice and cool. I don't know if it's because of this water coming down, but I caught keeper crappie. There's what I think are catfish over here. I'm not sure. I've caught 3 catfish over here. A couple of them broke me off. I guess they're spawning now because it's 10 foot of water, but over here it comes up really fast, about 3 foot of water. So around this ledge is probably 4 foot, but they're crappie are biting there. They seem to be hanging around with the catfish, so it's kind of weird. Anyway, let's see if we can pull some more out. Okay, so this is an old jig from when I first started painting jig heads and baking them, and for some weird reason this jig head is like a cone head. I call it the cone head jig. So I use this jig head and I tied on I guess a crystal chenille with the black and a crystal flash. So we're gonna see what the heck. It's crazy. You never know, right? I might have come up with the next big crappie attractant. I don't know. You never know nowadays. Craziness. Oh, that was a hit. Dang it. Oh, gotcha. Oh, big old crappie. Oh, crap. Oh, crappie. A crappie. Oh. I don't want to lose him. He's barely on there. Oh, come here, buddy. Yay, a keeper crappie. An actual keepo quappie. A queepa quappie. Yeah, nice. Very nice, I must say. Alright. It's freaking wind over here. Well, on the cone head. Very nice. Get in there, buddy. Oh, there he is. I didn't realize I had him. Oh, that's a big boy. Dang it, where is my freaking net? All right, buddy, come hither. There you go, buddy. I'll give you a ride. Oh, don't fall. Okay, come here. Nice. That's a nice crappie on the Mad Mike's jig. There you go, Mike. Your Mad Mike's jig is working. That's about a 13. And we got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6. All right. Booyah. All right, we're rolling, right? All right, come on, Mr. Crappie. You're hitting it. Well, we got some nice fish. Pretty nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 10 or 12. That's thunder, lightning, so that's our cue to go. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all later. I gotta get out of here. Bye.